In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find $1 Food Hub Walmart Online 2026. Start by opening your web browser and going to walmart.com. If you're new to shopping on the site, don't worry. This will be quick and straightforward. Once the homepage loads, take a second to glance at the top of the page to make sure your location or preferred store is set correctly because availability and pricing can vary by region. You don't have to change anything now, but it's helpful to know what store Walmart thinks you're shopping from. Next, look to the top left of the home page. On desktop, you'll see the main navigation area there. Click on Departments. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon in the top left corner first to reveal the departments list. This menu is your gateway to all categories across the site. In the Departments menu, select Grocery. This will take you into Walmart's food and pantry section, where you can browse by category, brand, or value collections. Grocery is where Walmart groups special value hubs, including the one we're after. Inside Grocery, look for the section labeled $1 of Food Hub. It may appear as a featured tile or in a value or deals area. Click on $1 Food Hub to open the curated collection. If you don't immediately see it, try scrolling a bit in Grocery or using the site's search bar to type $1 Food Hub. The goal is the same: land on Walmart's page that highlights food items priced at $1 or less. Once the $1 Food Hub opens, you'll see all eligible foods that are $1 or below. This page updates over time, so what you see will depend on current inventory and your location. You can use the built-in sorting options to organize items by relevance or price, and you can apply fulfillment preferences like shipping, pickup, or delivery if they appear for your area. If something shows as out of stock, it's often worth checking a nearby store or revisiting later, as low-cost items can sell quickly. When something catches your eye, click the item to view its full product details. Here you can confirm the exact price, size, and quantity, review the per ounce or per count cost for better comparisons, read the description and nutrition information, and scan customer reviews and ratings. You'll also see what fulfillment options are available for that specific item based on your location. That's it. By navigating to departments, selecting grocery, and opening the $1 Food Hub, you can quickly find budget-friendly food items and explore their details with confidence. Happy saving, and enjoy exploring those $1 deals.